Back together. Just done the new wiring on the new distributor. There, so it's a completely different pickup style. This is a Hall effects sensor. So I had to change it. It was running a magnetic trigger before. So these were, this pair of wires was the one that was running the magnetic trigger. So I've had to go into this white wire and feed some switched power to it. So I've got no idea if this is going to start or not. I've just got a little bit of fuel. I'll try and set the camera up here and see if it'll fire. I could have the dizzy wrong, or I could have plug leads wrong. The magnetic pickup might not work, or the Hall effect trigger. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. But I've got the little muffler on it to try and keep it quiet at home. Hopefully nothing drastic happens, but let's see how we go. Alright, so no good so far. Timing could be miles out, I'm not sure. It's also got lock timing now with this new distributor, so it will be harder to start. May not have enough charge in the battery. We'll see. I'll squirt a bit of this stuff down there and just see what happens. Cut. I need more battery. I'll have to charge it for a while and try again soon. Alright, here we go again. Timing could be anywhere, but we'll see. Just going to check if I've got spark. Good. Shit. Doesn't look like there's any spark. It's a bit hard to see. Shit. I may need a special module or something for this dizzy, because I did read somewhere that this ignition system won't pick up our Hall effect signal by itself, but I was hoping it would. Alright, I'm gonna go. Alright, good news. The car's going again. I finally got it running and retimed it. It's now static or locked at 30 degrees. Then I'm just going to pull timing out via the boost retard module. I had to, the accelerator pumps weren't working, so just here, there's little check valves in there, and they must have gummed up a bit, so yeah, there was no fuel squirting, and now it's coming out good, so it's beautiful. Yeah, it just seems to be running loads better and way more responsive down low than it ever has. So things are looking up. I'll just fire it up for you and we'll have a bit of a look. Did a new little box for my switches and stuff, just to make a bit more room. I've still got to finish all this stuff off and still got to mount the seat. But that's our fuel pump, ignition. Oh, hang on. Battery's disconnected. I'll fix that. Okay. Fuel pump. It's a bit quiet at the minute because I've got my motorbike muffler on. Keep the neighbours happy-ish. Happy with that, responsive as hell. It's good news, we're looking up. Alright, there we go. So just to go and check over a few things now. I've got to get the plugs, sorry. I couldn't find my feeler gauges, so I've got to redo them. But I figured after talking with a mate, Rob, thanks, I'm going to step it up to 8, a little bit colder plug. Running 7s in there in the minute, so I'll get them, gap them down a little bit and get this seat in, I guess, then organise dyno. You beauty.